Snowball, what's that? Look at this. This is an update. Look, it's all down on the door.
You need to go out, Peppy?
Pep?
You want to go out in that
She was out earlier, real quick. Alright, Mom made it home safe. That's good.
It's hard.
I stated before that I was very worried that you wouldn't get home alright.
Took me
Fix the curtain stuck on the chair.
about an hour and a half to get what normally takes me 15 minutes.
Oh my god, the wind's trying to catch the door again. Scariest part is we can hear the wind through the air conditioner. The air conditioner was whistling and howling. Scared the crap out of us. Cash cab right now.
Oh, we gotta.
I swear, me and Ziggy were looking around like, what the heck was that? Huh? What?
Being human on demand later. It better be there.
I checked earlier. I didn't see it. Oh, there's a new episode of The Cape. So it's Mondays. New episodes are Mondays. They're just taking a little longer to get Being Human on there. But you still need to watch number 4, and then you can watch number 5, the one I just watched earlier today. Alright. Sorry about that. This is another update. Still Tuesday. Around, what is it, like 5:30, you say? I think it's around 5:30. Close enough to it. Mom, just go home. There's your truck already. Your truck's getting buried as it is right now. Hey! I see feet. Oh yeah, tomorrow's gonna be worse. Look at that. Official update! First time in history, every single Chicago school has official snow day. Every single one.
No, it's every single type of school.
Type of school, not just public.
Public and
Private,
everything
boarding,
is closed.
Catholic, Christian, I don't care what kind of school you go to. Every single school is going to have official snow day tomorrow.
They announced it?
Yes.
Cool. One more day to
First
recover.
time in 29 years.
That's
Wow.
crazy.
Finally!
Yeah.
I get a snow day, which I haven't.
The cats were rolling and all that.
Wow.
Mess, man. My
Oh,
house is
Snowball is
normally
upstairs.
not that messy, people.
And it's in the, don't worry about it.
I was on the
Animals, you know. It's house is lived in.
I was
At
on
least
the,
I got all the laundry done, so it's not laundry everywhere. I mean, it's clean clothes. We just gotta get them up to the rooms.
I was on the laptop,
Yeah.
and guess what Snowball was doing?
Alright.
He was being really cuddly. He was rubbing up against me, wanted me to pet him, and he was
That is
licking my hand
crazy.
and biting it. Like he wanted.
Oh, the sun got knocked over. You can see that.
Again.
It was up before. I think one of the bottoms snapped this time.
Seriously, he was licking and biting my hand. I think he liked the taste of my
Hey,
hand.
somebody bring me that tea before Sammy knocks it over.
It should be empty.
He already licked it.
Well, I just made it like 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, so.
Oh, you're talking about a different tea. I thought you were talking about my tea. I can feel the cold coming in from this little corner right here. Look at that snow.
Snowball, snow.
Oh, he already seen it. This is crazy.
Yeah, I'm sick of drinking Gatorade.
Well, you can always drink water. Or juice. We have apple juice and we have cranberry. Yeah, my brother's not feeling good right now.
This always happens.
He's kind of sick.
It always snows when I can't enjoy it.
And he loves the snow. Hey, baby. Snowball.
didn't film that.
I don't know. You gonna play with your toy?
If you did, you better edit that out.
I don't know. Snowball, go back. You can't go out. Whoa!
I think I stepped in the shower.
I picked it up earlier.
I was just getting ready to yell at her. I said, I saw that there when I left. Why didn't she?
I picked it up. They found it and they were probably playing with it again.
Yeah, that's what I showing too. Huh.
So did they announce Sunday thing on the news?
On the radio.
Alright, that's probably really weird for you guys, but oh well. Slipped out of my hand, so I had to flip it all the way. Alright, bye.